Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make watermelon sorbet Miniverse. Start by cutting and freezing 2 to 3 cups of cubed watermelon on a flat tray. Once frozen, pulse in a blender with sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice until smooth and scoopable. Taste and adjust sweetness, then chill briefly before serving to firm up the texture. For smooth sorbet, blend frozen watermelon in short bursts, scraping the sides between pulses. If needed, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or water to reach a silky texture without melting. Taste as you go and adjust sugar in small amounts to keep the bright watermelon flavor. Transfer to a shallow container and freeze briefly to firm up to scoopable consistency, then serve chilled with a fresh mint garnish. If you're enjoying this Miniverse sorbet guide, please subscribe and like to help us grow. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless so you can focus on blending and serving. It responds to voice commands and keeps kitchen floors pristine. I find it handy when I'm juggling bowls and utensils. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Scoop the sorbet into small chilled bowls or carve a mini watermelon shell for a cute Miniverse look. For variation, fold in diced berries or a 1/4 teaspoon of lime for added tang and color contrast. To prevent ice crystals, press plastic wrap on the sorbet surface before sealing and freeze. Let sorbet sit a few minutes to soften before scooping and enjoy with a spoon or mini cookie for texture contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.